How can you learn to sing high notes as a guy without using falsetto? So without using this sound, woo, but instead actually use your full voice. How can you do it? Let's talk about this. Now there are a couple things that need to happen in order for you to be able to hit high notes in full voice. You need to be able to switch your registers. So you need to go from your chest voice into your head voice, but retaining the vocal cord closure. So here's a very practical application of that, and you're gonna want to practice this daily. You want to practice this every single day. You want to go into your vocal fry, which is this sound. This is very low. You need to basically go lower than your chest voice. And this sound is there. You're going to take that sound and you're going to take the feeling of that sound and bring it higher. What this does, we're not going for a pretty sound here, by the way. With this sound, what happens is that your vocal cords, they stay close together. They don't fall apart, which means that you don't break into falsetto. So this doesn't happen. But you're actually staying in full voice. The second thing that you need to watch out for is you're going to take that vocal fry sound and you're going to go higher with it. But what's really crucial as well is that you don't want to splat the vowel. You don't want to make the vowel too wide. You want to keep the vowel narrow enough so that it can cross through your bridge. So a good vowel to do that is the O vowel. O, O, O. Keep the mouth shape. Use the vocal fry sound. O, 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 O. Keep it closed down, keep it narrow, and try to find release up top, but keeping the vocal cords closed. O, O. If it hurts, if it feels unwell, if it feels bad, then you're not really doing it the proper way. So you need to find a coordination where it's still firm and strong and resonant, and it sounds, it sounds like you're not changing between two voices, but it also doesn't strain you and doesn't cause you pain and all that. Now there's also another very important thing once you're doing all this, is you need to focus a lot on your breathing. And your breathing means focusing on your exhale, the way you move the air out of your body. You don't want it to be like you're pushing or like you're trying to, be loud or anything. In fact, you want to keep the air inside of your body as much as possible. So the higher you go, the less air you need. This is why vocal fry is so great, because it requires very little air to do. And so as you go higher, you need less and less air. So as I go higher, for example, I am really trying to keep the air inside of me, and this whole thing, my support mechanism, is not strained. My abs are not tight. I'm not doing anything that's weird, or I'm not doing anything that's that I don't do normally with my breathing. But I'm trying to keep the air inside and breathe out just a tiny amount. If you do that, you're gonna get killer high notes. Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next one.